Don't use also. Use moreover. Don't use anyway. Use nevertheless. Don't use I think. Use in my opinion. Don't use so. Use therefore. Don't use and. Use in addition. Don't use but. Use however. Very happy. Over the moon.
Oh, I'm over the moon.
No.
I forgot. It slipped my mind.
Slipped my mind!
Must have slipped my mind.
Disagree. I beg to differ.
I beg to differ.
I beg to differ.
Nervous. On edge.
Look, he's on edge.
Joel, everyone is on edge.
Sun. Moon. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. On Monday. In July. In 2016. At 9 o'clock. In summer. In the morning. On Wednesday morning. In the past. At the weekend. On the 13th of June. Highlighter. Stapler. Scissors. Pushpin. Compass. Paper clips. Scotch tape. Magnifying glass. Set square. Protractor. Do you know what is this called? Let me know in the comment. Whatever. Great. Got to go? No problem. Hugs and kisses. How are you? Wait. See you tomorrow. I miss you. You never know. Just for fun.